We're now at the final lesson of the 8 in this class. It's called Know Your Traffic Laws. There are obviously far too many laws for us to cover in less than an hour. What we'll focus on are those laws most critical to defensive driving. You're basically familiar with many of them. In many cases, though, we kind of know the law, but we aren't clear on some of the details. You might even be surprised at some of those details. We won't be able to look at each of the complete laws in this lesson, but there will be links in the full statute for those of you wanting more information, as well as images that contain more of the language than we're able to cover in this class. You can click on an image to enlarge it and read it, or just give it a quick once-over to get the general idea. We'll discuss the critical elements of the statute and then move on. Please remember, nothing in this lesson is meant as legal advice or as the final word on any law covered here. To get a definitive view of any of these statutes, consult with a licensed attorney. All we'd like to give you here is a general overview of what the statutes say and what they mean for you as a defensive driver. We'll begin with a statute we already covered briefly on texting and driving.